About to make a new vlog. About time. Where are we going this time with all these luggages? We're going on a trip in my favorite rocket ship. Bound for Malmö, and then we take another train
And
to
a flight.
Kastrup,
And then another flight.
and
And then another flight.
But there's gonna be
There's gonna be one layover.
2 layers.
Coming to check that. Now we're in Kastrup, Copenhagen Airport,
Yes.
waiting for check-in to be available.
Yes.
Hello.
We're done with security.
Now we're on the way to the plane.
In a few hours.
Yeah.
The long wait is over.
No, it's not. This is
Just the beginning. And we're sitting by the way. It's actually nice. This is my first time flying with Finnair.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure. Have you flown with Finnair before?
Almost, but yeah.
No?
I flew with KLM instead. Got stranded.
We were. You know the story. What is it about?
Dinner.
Dinner time. What time is dinner time?
Sleep time. It's a 17.
Oh yeah.
Danish time. Then we sleep. Then we eat again.
Food, and then we arrive in Doha. It's a 6-hour flight, but you get to see the
Today's
menu
Do they have 11?
before landing. No, this is before landing. This is after takeoff.
Safety and comfort on board. You must always follow the instructions given by our crew.
He's playing Sudoku. Landed in Doha. Do you want to go shopping here?
What?
Do you want to go shopping here?
We can have a look around.
There's Hermes. There's Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton now?
I'm scared. I'm jumping anywhere. It's sweating so hard.
The chicken is so spicy.
I'm tired. He's gonna start sweating again.
Yeah. It's 4:44
In the morning.
in the morning. Ignore my watch. It's wrong right now.
It's a wrong right now.
It's wrong right now.
Look who's hallucinating.
I haven't slept for 25 hours. I'm starting to hallucinate.
From McDonald's. Get to bed. I'm finally in the hotel. How you feeling?
Sweaty.
It's so hot. I missed the wind.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Room tour. So the moment you go in, toilet. Is this just a toilet? Okay. Toilet and shower.
Where's the shower?
Is there?
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
And then moving forward, we have the safe, complimentary water and tea, and the mini fridge, robes, and look at the bed. Oi, oi, oi. We made a little candy wrap, and our view, Starbucks.
Is our breakfast, please.
Yeah, we'll have breakfast here, so we don't have to go to Starbucks to eat breakfast. And this is Savoy Hotel, located just next to Newport. So yeah,
I will not use
we're back in the Philippines. Good morning.